Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
Look, it's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yee, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, it's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pole up my ass.
It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level Londoners looking after it. We boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
You'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think it's you made?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think,
A relationship.
Oh, shit! Sure it could. Put on his mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
Keep the engine running.
Wait, come back, man.
Come and get me!
飛返你啊死橙！有咩事慢慢講，放手先啦。
Yeah, get him! Get him, that's right! There's more of them! How you like that? How you like that? Hey, you are hardcore. You act like it was nothing. Watch should be in the warehouse, man. Shit, we're taking off with the goods. Go, 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 man. Whoa! Whoa! Hang on, I'll go get the watches. Wait! We got him! Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit! We did it! Check it out! It's raining Cambria!
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
Wait, Urbina, where you going, man? Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit! We did it! Check it out! It's raining Cambria!
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What? What do you mean cheap?
Jackie, these are fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tylo, the cops drive! Wait, drive!
I think that's it.
Yeah, they're gone. Clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals in this town. These cops suck.
What do you think will happen with Dog Eyes?
I don't know. He's an asshole, poor guy.
So where's this guy we're meeting?
But don't worry. I'll take it from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
Oh, man, I got it under control. So, Nola.
All right, your deal.
Hey, wait! You did good out there. Here, take this watch. You earned it.
Great, I finally hit the big time.